This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make steak butter, easy method. Mash 1 stick softened butter with herbs and aromatics, then fold in 1 tsp lemon zest and 2 cloves minced garlic. Mix in 1 tablespoon chopped parsley and a pinch of smoked salt for depth. Shape into a log, chill until firm, then slice rounds to melt on a hot steak just before serving for perfect finishing flavor. Start by gathering ingredients and softening the butter to room temperature for easy mixing. Mince 2 cloves garlic and finely chop 1 tablespoon fresh parsley so textures blend smoothly. Add 1 tsp lemon zest, a half tsp smoked salt, and a quarter tsp black pepper, then taste a small smear on toast. Adjust seasoning gently, remembering compound butter should complement steak without overpowering. Spoon the seasoned butter onto parchment, roll tightly into a log, and twist the ends for a compact shape. Chill in the fridge until firm, then slice rounds as needed to top steaks just off the heat. For longer storage, freeze the log and thaw individual slices in the fridge before use. Use within recommended times to keep flavor bright and maintain safe food handling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.